Hey everybody, real quick short video on trying to find the ankle ligaments on somebody's foot. I would encourage you to actually do this on somebody else's foot in your house if you can, or if you can't, you can do it on yourself, but it's not quite the same thing. So I got my daughter's ankle here, she's helping me out. So real quick, anatomy that you already know, right? So fibula and tibia coming down, fibula is on the lateral side, tibia is on the medial side. So distal end of the fibula is the lateral malleolus, right? So the ligaments on the lateral side of the ankle all attached to the fibula. The ligaments on the medial side attached to the tibia. Okay, so if you remember, the joint of the ankle is a hinge joint, so we're going to have dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Okay, we also have inversion and eversion, and the ligaments generally stop you from inverting or everting depending on which side. Okay, so our ligaments on the lateral side: anterior talofibular, posterior talofibular, and calcaneofibular. So to figure out where the ligaments are, you have to go where those bones are. So lateral malleolus right here, talus is just in here. So the first ligament, the ATF, is going to attach here and fill in that. Okay, so that is your ATF. Okay, next, if I roll her ankle a little bit, you find the posterior side of the malleolus, and it goes down here. So there is your PTF. And then straight inferior from the distal end of the fibula, going down to the calcaneus. So if you feel, you can actually feel the calcaneus down here. And then this is your CF, or calcaneofibular. Okay, so ATF, anterior distal malleolus, PTF, posterior distal malleolus, CF, straight inferior below the distal malleolus. Okay, switch legs. So we're going to switch to our other leg just to make it simple. Now we're going to the deltoid ligament. Okay, so there we're on the medial side. Okay, medial ligaments, there's 4. You got to find the navicular tubercle. So this is the one spot we found in the foot anatomy when we were palpating. Okay, so distal end of the malleolus. I'm going to actually draw a little bit more on here. Anterior is right here. Posterior is right here. Calcaneofibular goes down. My marker is starting to die. And then tibionavicular is right there. So this is tibionavicular. This is anterior tibial-talar, posterior tibial-talar, and tibiocalcaneal. Now, if we look at what these ligaments do, these ligaments go from the distal end of the tibia down to some of the tarsal bones, and they're going to stop eversion. You can even see as I pull that, it's stretching those ligaments. Give me your other foot again, Kate. And if we look at this one, these are going to stop inversion. So if you can imagine, as I pull, that's going to stretch those ligaments.